Hi everyone, and welcome back to Angie&Three. In today's video, I'm doing a girl collaborative haul, so if you'd like to see what I got, just keep on watching. Okay you guys, so I know I haven't done a growth collaborative haul in a very long time. I have an excuse for that. It's because they have been out of stock on all of the products that I wanted for a very long time, and they finally got some things back in stock. I had shipped 2 boxes, so I've just been waiting on that just to, you know, get my products so I can show you guys, and you know, like everything, like the anti-bac and what is it, the Aunt Fanny's vinegar cleaner I've been waiting on. So they finally got those things back in stock, and I'm so excited to share with you guys what I got. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to share with you guys is the Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner. I had to wait until this got back in stock. If you guys watch my growth collaborative haul, you will know that I am obsessed with this. When they didn't have this in stock, I was going crazy. I went to Target, I went to Walmart, and they did not have it. So I had to use the Lysol antibacterial spray, and you know what, that used to be my holy grail before I knew about Method. But you know, it's just that I just love this. If you guys can't see it, it looks like this. I'm sorry, it's like so bright, but oh my gosh you guys, I had to get this. I got 4. Let me show you. This is the 2 right here. Wait, is it facing? Nope, it's not. I have 2 right here, and the other 2 is right here. You guys, I am not playing. Like, I was like, you know what, I'm like, I'm not going, you know, no more. I had to get like stocked up on these because I was going crazy. Now you guys, my new favorite cleaner to use is the Aunt Fanny's cleaning vinegar. This is the all-purpose one. This has been my favorite. I have used the lavender scent, and I like it, but I don't like it as much as the what is this one, the bright lemon. You guys, this is my favorite by far. I had to order 2. I am going to be ordering another 2 in my next shipment, which is the end of this month, and I am obsessed with this, you guys. It still has that vinegar smell, but it's not as strong because I am not a vinegar cleaning person. Like, I don't like the smell. It's so strong, you understand? So when I tried this, I was like, wow, like I love it. I really do, and it does the job, you guys. Like, I clean my stove with this, I wipe my countertops, floors, whatever, I clean with it. So yes you guys, I had to buy 2 of this. I hope you guys can see. I'm gonna insert a clip in here to where you guys can see it, you know. So yeah, I had to get 2 of these. So I had to get another one of these. This is the Mrs. Meyers baking soda cream cleaner and lemon verbena. You guys, holy grail again. I love this. This is my favorite by far. I can't clean my sink without this. Like, if I do, it has to be the Dawn dish spray, which I am going to mention that in my next cleaning video. So so watch out for that, because you guys, I am obsessed. Like, I love, don't get me wrong, it's so funny, I'm so weird you guys. I use the spray on the dishes, and then I use my antibacterial dish soap. So it's like a little bowl that I use to keep the suds in, you know, to keep all the suds in the water, and I clean the dishes with that as well, because you know it's antibacterial. If you guys watch my cleaning videos, if you guys watch my hauls, you know I love antibacterial things to clean my house with. But regardless, this is really good. I cannot clean my sink without it. I love it so much. Another hand sanitizer. This is the hand sanitizer gel. I did get the small one like a month or 2 ago, and I had to get the big one. This is with moisturizing coconut oil. It looks like this. And you guys, I had to get another one because the one I got is so small, and I just ran out. I do have other, don't get me wrong, I do have another hand sanitizer, but I have to stock up because you know things are just getting worse, whatever, you know that situation. So I'm stocking up on hand sanitizer as well. This came free to me. This is the handcrafted soap bar and the scent lavender. It looks like this. You guys, if you can't see no word, I'm gonna add another clip in here so you guys can see it clearly. I have never used this before. To be honest, the Growth Collaborative, what do you call it, the the candles and the soaps and stuff, they are very strong. This is strong too. If anything, I'll probably give it away, or you know, to somebody that likes it. I really don't like the smells of these, but you know, it was for free, so what you gonna do? Next thing I got for free is this bucket. This is because I've been a VIP member for a year. You have to renew with Growth Collaborative. It's a $20 every year, and they gave me this bucket. It was for free. I think it's really cute. It's so cute. I really like it. Have not used it, of course, but I can't wait to, because I got a cleaner video coming soon, and yeah, this will be coming in handy. So it looks like this, so cute. And I had to order the Disinfecting Wipes 7th generation. You guys, I'm stocking up. It kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. I have to stock up on those things, you guys. So I had got this one, and I have to say I do not like the smell. Oh my god, I have to put some essential oils in this. This does not smell good. This is in a scent lemongrass citrus. It looks like this. You guys, I do not like the smell. I'm so sorry. It's too strong for me. I was just like very disappointed. I just don't like the smell. Like I said, hopefully I'm gonna add some essential oils, and maybe that'll like take, you know, the smell away, hopefully. I don't know, we'll see. But this is my first time using this as well, so I hope that, you know, the scent, you know. Next thing I got, you guys, is the 7th generation disinfectant spray. I got it in this scent. What is this? Lavender, vanilla, and thyme scent. I don't like it, you guys. It smells really strong. It smells, I'm gonna just spray it. I can't smell it. Oh wait. It smells, sorry, it smells like this like these wipes right here, but it's not as strong. I mean, it's something that I can, like, you know, tolerate. I do have Lysol. God, I got it in my throat. I do have Lysol disinfectant spray, but I just, like I'm saying, I'm stocking up, and I wanted to try it, you know, just in case. But like I said, it's not as strong as this one here. I can like tolerate this one, so that's fine. It's just that, you know, it still got that weird smell. I don't know what that is, but you know, but I, you know, thank God I can tolerate it. I didn't even know that I ordered another one. Like I said, I'm trying to keep in stock with all this stuff, because like I said, Growth Collaborative was out of stock on almost everything that I use, and I was going crazy. So I got 2. I didn't even know that I ordered 2 of these. So I'm so happy I did though, because ooh, I gotta, you know, you gotta stay in stock, you guys, for real. Like, oh, ooh. And the last thing that I got, you guys, is this Memphis dish soap and citrus grove. I have not used this. I heard great things about this soap though. They didn't have the one I wanted, which is grapefruit. That will be in my next order, so look out for that video, you guys. So I'm gonna give a review on it, see if it smells good or not. Wow, this, ooh, that smells really good. This smells just like citrus, like it says. It smells like orange and a hit of lemon. It smells really good. I like it. It's fresh. You guys, you know I love using my antibacterial dish soap, but when I run out, I love using my Mrs. Meyers. That always comes in handy. That is my backup soap. But I wanted to try something different. Like I said, I wanted to try this one. I have not used it, so I don't know if it cleans good, but I know the Mrs. Meyers do. It says it's grease cutting power, so I will let you know in my next Growth Collaborative haul if it's worth it or not. If it is, I still got the what is it, the grapefruit scent in my basket, in my cart for my next Growth Collaborative haul. I'm still gonna order that just to smell it, because you know I love the smells. It's the last thing I got, you guys. I'm so excited. I finally got all my things. It's finally, I can't wait to clean, you guys. When I get my stuff from Growth Collaborative, it just motivates me to clean. I'm just so excited. So be on the lookout for that video next week. If you guys want a 5 3-piece gift set on your first order from Growth Collaborative, just click on the link down below and you will get a 5 3-piece gift set on your first order, and you'll become a member of Growth Collaborative, and you will not regret it. I love it. I love Growth Collaborative. Now that I have everything back in stock, I'm happy. I am a happy woman. So that will be all for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys, and stay safe.